All right, you're ready to do your first spreadsheet project. In theory, you've already had an in-class session where we went over the basics of spreadsheets, and there's also a couple of videos available for you, so I'm going to assume you're ready to go. This very first project is, I'm going to entitled it the fast food order. You see the tab here down at the bottom. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to make a very simple cash register basically to total up order totals. And you'll begin by making this menu board. And so I just put down some beautiful, maybe not healthy foods and their price. And I'm going to literally enter these in. So there's no formulas or anything up here. But after that, I'm going to move on to down here and then list the different items that could be ordered. And then this pink area is where the cashier or the order taker is going to put in a number and a number of the item ordered. So for example, you see 2 cheeseburgers here. That means the cashier entered 2. But over here, the cost is $6 because the spreadsheet said, okay, a cheeseburger costs $3. 2 times 3 is $6. Makes pretty much sense, doesn't it? Well, if you're doing your spreadsheet correctly, you need to leave this space available for the order taker to enter the number, but this space over here in the tan is automatically totaled up because you put a formula in there. So now if the order taker says, ooh, I meant that was 25 cheeseburgers, as soon as I hit enter, you will see that this $6 cost automatically updates, and it does to $75. So your main programming part where you're entering formulas is going to happen over here in the tan section. And then, by the way, as you enter different values in here, you'll notice that the total bill also changes because this total bill over here is the sum of all these items. So if you're going to have 25 cheeseburgers, you certainly need 30 orders of French fries. And so when I hit enter, you will see the total bill update. Eventually. Uh-oh, that means I've messed up. Holy cow, what's happening here? So when I put in 30 French fries, the cost was 0. And this is what you need to do when you're doing your spreadsheet. You need to test it out to make sure it's correct. What I really needed to have here was a formula that says equals the number ordered. So I click on that 30, and then times, I use the asterisk for times, and the cost of a French fry is $3. Now all of a sudden, this cell is working correctly. It says $90, and if I now change this order back to 10 orders of French fries, you'll notice both the 90 changes and the total bill of $205. So that's part of your spreadsheet. You need to test it out with different values, make sure your spreadsheet is operating correctly. When you get this done and when you're confident that it's available, that it's ready for a checkoff, you can bring it to me, make sure it's accurate. And if all of the stuff that I was just saying is flying by you too quickly, over here on the right is also instructions or guidelines on how to get this done. That's your first project. Have fun. I know you will.